Good morning, children. Today we are going to study My Science. See the picture here. My Science book, chapter 2, page 20. Take out, children. Now we will be doing a revision of science. See exercise time, page 20. A. Fill in the blanks with the words given. See, babies, nose, man-made thing, seeds, move. Okay. First one, we breathe through our dash. So, right option you choose and write here. Okay, children. Number 2, new plants grow from dash. Number 3, a desk is a dash. Number 4, living things can dash on their own. Number 5, living things give birth to dash. Okay, so I write here chapter 2 exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the words given. I write here the answer. A answer, fill in the blanks, I write here. So everyone follow. A, C, A1. Okay. A1, right side, we breathe through our dash. Left side you see, we breathe through our nose. So answer is N-O-S-E, nose. We breathe through our nose. Next, number 2, new plants grow from dash. So answer is new plants grow from seeds. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. So new plants grow from seeds. Number 3, a desk is a dash. Question. Number 3 answer, a desk is a man-made things. A desk is a man-made things. Okay. See here. Man-made things. A in man, M-A-D-E, made thing, T-H-I-N-G. Number 4, living things can dash on their own. Okay, so answer is living things can move on their own. See, M-O-V-E, move on their own. Okay. 5, living things give birth to dash. So 5 answer, living things give birth to babies. Okay, living things give birth to babies. Okay, I hope everyone understood. A, exercise A, fill in the blanks with the words given. Next, children, B. B, B, okay, B, right side you see, B write T for true and F for false. Okay, T for true, F for false. 1, an aeroplane can move on is a living thing. Number 2 statement, living things feel pain. Number 3, non-living things can grow. Number 4, plants do not move from one place to another. So, number 5, mountains are non-living things. So, first one, an aeroplane can move on, it is a living thing. Number 2, living things feel pain. Number 3, non-living things can grow. 4, plants do not move on. Plants do not move from one place to another. Number 5, mountains are non-living things. So first read it, the statements, and write the answer true and false. Okay, so children, see left side. Okay. See left side. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. Okay. An aeroplane can move on, it is a living things. It's this statement's false. An aeroplane can move, so it is living things. No, children, it is man-made things, aeroplane. So false. Number 2, living things feel pain. Yes, human being, animals are living things, plants. So living things feel pain. True. The answer is true. I write here. So next statements, non-living things can grow. Number 3, non-living things non-living things can grow. Yes or no? No. False. Wrong statement. So you write false. Okay. Number 4, plants do not move from one place to another. So this is, plants do not move from one place to another. This is true. Mountains are non-living things. Yes, this is true. Number 5. Okay. So children, I hope everyone understood this page. Exercise A, B. Take out school diary, homework, chapter 2, page 20. So I hope everyone understood. So practice. Okay.